Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A51. This device doesn't actually belong to me. I got it from my mom. Well, we're in the season of love. What this means is that I'm not going to have this device for a long time. However, I'm going to unbox it right now and probably maybe a quick review. Anyways, let's get to it. This device costs around 104,000 naira here in Nigeria. This should be just shy of $300, I think. As always, before we get into the box, let's take a look around the box and see what we have. In the front here, obviously, we have a diagram of the phone, A51 written Samsung, 24-month warranty for Africa, which is nice to see. On the left side, it says Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you. On the right side, it says do not accept if seal is broken, caution. Sealed package, obviously. Well, it's sealed as you can see. At the bottom of the page, we have the model number SM-A515F, dual SIM version, Prism Crush Black color, and around back there's nothing anybody wants to see. Now we know that this is the 128 gig storage, 4 gigs RAM version. There's also a 64 gigs, 4 gigs version and a 128 gig, 6 gigs version, which is, well, the highest one. But before we get into this box, let's see all the specifications. Now we've gotten all that out of the way, let's get into the box. As you can see here, we're greeted with the device itself, Infinity O display, quad camera, on-screen fingerprints. Nicely hidden under the lid is this other box, which I'm guessing contains some literature. And yes, we have some literature here and the SIM ejector tool. And in the box proper, we have the earphones. We have a USB type A to type C cable. And we have a charger, which I believe is 18 watts. So yes, as it says there, 9 volts, 2 amperes, which should be 18 watts. Not the fastest charger, but well, it's decent. We have absolutely nothing else in the box. So let's get to the phone. So here we're back with the device. Let's peel that plastic off. Oh, that looks really nice. This is actually plastic, even though it looks like glass, and you can just see all the fingerprints it's going to collect. And up there you have the L-shaped S20 looking camera setup, which consists of the 48 megapixel main shooter, the 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter, a 5 megapixel macro shooter, and a depth sensor. In front here we can see that hole punch selfie camera on this huge 6.5 inch super AMOLED 1080p display. On the bottom of the device we can see the headphone jack, always nice to see that, a Type-C port, and a single firing bottom speaker grill. On the right side of the phone we have the volume rockers and the correctly placed power button, and as you can see there, we have an ever so slight camera bump. On the left side of the phone is where you find the SIM tray, which we'll just eject right now. A dual SIM tray with space for expandable storage using a micro SD. Now let's power on this device. Now I'm done with the setup of this device, and first things first, it's a really nice looking display. It's 1080p, but it still looks absolutely great. It's obviously not the best display I've ever seen, you know, it's still a 1080p display, but it looks really great, especially with that cut out there, making it look really special. In 2020, I don't know if One UI is anybody's favorite. However, it's better than TouchWiz we had before, and it's here to stay, so we might as well accept it. Using the device feels fast, and that just goes to show that the Exynos 9611 or 9611 on this device is no slouch. It also helps that it has that 4000 mAh battery to power this huge 6.5 inch display. Even though it doesn't feel like a huge phone, but it is a huge display. 87.4% screen to body ratio, which gives it really thin bezels and just makes it look absolutely fantastic. What I think about this device after playing with it for just a little while and, you know, looking at it, feeling it, I think that I like the design, even though it's plastic, but it's a nice design, and you know, when it hits the light it gives you all those colors. Also, even though it's a huge display, it's quite narrow, so it doesn't feel so big in the hands, and the bezels are almost non-existent. I like the build a lot. I like that it has a 4000 milliamp hour battery. That's always good to see. I like that it comes with a super AMOLED display, 1080p or not, it looks great. In the end, you get what you're paying for. I mean, if you want to get a mid-range Samsung device, you have to pay, well, 300-ish. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you enjoyed it one way or the other. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.